Hello, guys, and welcome to another post market analysis. This is today's Bank Nifty. It's been a wonderful trending day towards the downside in the Bank Nifty, but let's start from the daily chart as usual and see what we can expect for the next coming days. So now this is the price chart of Bank Nifty on a daily time frame. Okay, so in yesterday's candle, we have seen a rejection from this level, so that is why we have a green line here. Okay, and if the market is coming towards the downside, we expected that all these multiple levels are going to act as a support for the Bank Nifty. They may stop, and exactly today Bank Nifty has come down, crossing all these levels, and has given us a close exactly right here at 47,450 levels, and that is also the place where we have this gap. Okay, don't get confused with the multiple lines. I'll sort it out once we are there on our intraday chart. So this is the gap that is there between these two candles. In fact, this is a gap from this candle. Okay, so from this candle, so it is now the Bank Nifty, from the many days we are expecting this pullback healthy correction, and this today it has given us that correction. It is it is a bearish day. As you can see, Bank Nifty has started from 48,000, okay, and it has come to 47,500 levels. So it's a great drop in the Bank Nifty, and in the next coming days, so again these levels are going to act as a very important levels. You should see whether these levels are giving support or they are getting breaked in the daily, in the intraday time frame on a live market. So again, now Bank Nifty we are very confirmed that the rally has stopped and it's in a correction mode, either towards the sideways market till yesterday, for the couple of days, and then today in a bearish market. Okay, again, it's very simple. You just have to wait for the intraday levels on our daily chart, on a live market, and then trade accordingly. Coming to the Nifty, it's the similar effect that we have seen in Nifty as well. It's a very big bearish day towards the downside, but for the Nifty we have much more hurdles to cross while coming towards the bottom, and looks like this 21,000 level is going to be tested soon, because we are already at 21,330 now. Sorry, we are 21,148 level now. We have seen close around that level. So very soon we should wait and see whether this is going to act as a support, because that is the previous swing high. We should wait and watch. If it is taking support here, then again there are chances that for the Nifty to see again going towards the upper side. But until you see a close beyond this level, now this has created a kind of swing high, right? So until you see a close above that on a daily time frame, you cannot be bullish. But you can trade in both the bullish and the bearish side on your intraday charts, if you have marked your proper support and resistance levels. Okay, so keeping our daily charts aside, now let's see what we can learn from a 5 minutes time frame in our Bank Nifty. I know this is very confusing with all these lines. Let's do one thing. Let's wipe everything off and then start from the beginning. Yes, now this is the plain Bank Nifty chart on a 5 minute time frame as it is. All right. So let's see. Okay, let's first judge the first three candles. We have seen multiple colors, which means that it's not in the same color, which means that the direction is clueless in the beginning, while starting the market. But slowly, eventually, what happened after 1 o'clock is we have seen a great fall towards the downside. Let's see how we could have traded in today's market. So initially, when you are at this level around 950, you know that this is the rejection level, and this level has maintained for more than half an hour. So we draw this weak portion as our support area, and at around the same point, around 950 and 10 o'clock, you know that this high is not broken on this seems to be in creating a resistance level for the Bank Nifty. So after this, all you should do is wait and watch for the Bank Nifty for some price action. See, here you have a breakout at 10 o'clock, and then immediately you have to wait and see for the confirmation candle, which is looking positive today. Okay, and after this confirmation, excuse me, so after this confirmation you should have taken a trade towards the downside. But before that, you should check for your stop loss and target as well, whereas in this case your stop loss is right about that, but on the left, if you can see, this is the only level where you can aim for the target, which is more than 1 in this case. Risk versus reward ratio in this case is more than 1.4, so which means that this could have been a proper trade entry right there. But if you are someone who don't want to take much of that risk, you have that option again here at a 10-20 candle. You have seen a breakout into that, and then again you have seen a red candle formation there. You could have entered there also. So in either case, if you are entering there or if you are entered there, both towards the put option, this could have been your initial target. Now after this, next reaction is that, and after that your next reaction is this, and after that next reaction is that. Okay, and after that it's pretty far. Okay, so see what has happened. See, if you are entering in your into your trade at 10:05 in the morning, okay, you could have been clueless until you have seen until 12:55 candle, where you have seen another bearish engulfing candle. Okay, that is the point from where the movement has started really. See, from there it has come to your first target. Your first target is reached around at 1:15. That is from 10 o'clock. Okay, 11, 12, 1, that's 3 or 15 minutes to reach your first target. After your first target, it has come down to your next target as well, and after your next target, let's drag this down. After your next target, your immediate next target is also reached at this level. After this, while coming back to while going towards this direction, while trailing your target or stop loss, here you could have seen some sort of pullback, so some might have taken an exit here, which is 269 points of target in one trade. Of course, this lasted for more than 3 hours, but it's fine. If you are seeing a trade like this on a 5 minute time frame on a trending day, if you can capture a trade like this on an expiry day, then then it's fantastic. So some might have exited here because while going towards this target, you would have trailed your target and kept your target there, so that is fine. But those who have taken a larger risk could have seen another further momentum towards the downside, which is 240 points, and even more. Okay, so all that would have been that would have been on your, it depends on your patience levels, depends on your risk taking capacity. But a safe trade option is to take your profit around 260 odd points. But those who have maintained their position till evening, those would have seen 750 points of moment, which is huge. Okay, but this is the safest place for 260 points, which is excellent in the bank nifty. So that's it on the bank nifty. That is how you could have traded only one trade, which lasted for the whole day, and it created a good profit. Okay, a good momentum, even though on an expiry day. So now coming back to the nifty, let's again take all these levels down. So all you have to do is mark your support and resistance level first. For that, you need a swing high and a swing low. Here you have a, a in a similar candle in the first candle. Okay, so there you have that. Okay, and this would have been your resistance, and here you have seen a breakout and a confirmation. Same situation in the nifty as well. So here you could have entered, and your stop loss would have been this, and your first target would have been exactly here till yesterday's close, and down the line going towards the bottom. Okay, you could have okay, next reaction was definitely this, because here you have seen prices holding up for some time. So there was no problem in nifty reaching till this point. After that, your next reaction was that even that was reached. So after this point, again there was momentum towards the downside, but then again it it pulled back. So you could have exited somewhere there or somewhere here. Here it is 128 points. If you are exiting there, it is 168 points. So 120 points is also not a bad option on a nifty, especially this is not a bank nifty. So but those who have waited all the way till the closure could have seen a momentum of more than 400 points in the nifty. Okay, so I hope you have understood the importance of drawing support and resistance levels on intraday time frame with your swing highs and low. This is a simple price action technique. So that's it for today. Hope you have learned something from today's price action in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, and hope you have understood how to trade in the coming days. You should be ready for both towards the correction, that is towards the downside, or even a sudden a reaction. And if it starts going towards the upper side for both Bank Nifty and Nifty, you should be ready with your swing highs and lows on an intraday chart and alive market. That's it for today. See you in your next both market analysis video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe for our channel for more such interesting and meaningful content on Indian stock markets. See you soon.